Hello and welcome to another beautiful day here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Today I'm pleased to show you around this lovely 69 plate A180d AMG Line, finished in Cosmos black metallic paintwork. Lovely car. Standard features with the AMG Line do include those 5 twin spoke AMG alloy wheel. Just take you inside the car. Car's only covered 24,184 miles. We'll just start her up. There we go. And we do have the added benefit of this particular vehicle that we've got the satellite navigation. Comes finished in the half black, half leather alcantara finish with contrast red stitching. Looks stunning. The car's in fantastic condition. And hopefully we can expect a call from anybody soon who's interested in purchasing the vehicle. We welcome any part exchange and we'd love to be able to do some business. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to view this video. My name's James and I look forward to speaking to you soon.